Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're unable to connect to this Wi-Fi network on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot, best match, or go back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side underneath options, go ahead and select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the network and internet troubleshooter and the corresponding run button. So it's going to give you some recommendations here. Go ahead and select whatever the recommended suggestions are listed under here. If these options are unable to resolve the problem, something else we can try here. Close out of here. Open up the start menu. Type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, go ahead and type in ipconfig, followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word. Attach to that / out front. Hit enter. Should come back with Windows IP configuration. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Again, each word should be separated by a space in here. So again, netsh, then a space, winsock, WINSOCK, followed by another space and then reset. Hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here. And then you want to restart your device. And then hopefully you should be able to access the internet once again. If you're still having an issue, something else we can try here as well would be just to reset our network settings back to default. So if you're using a Wi-Fi based connection, which is likely the reason you're on this tutorial to begin with, you will need to have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby because once we restart our computer after completing the following procedure, you will need to enter back in your credentials to get back on the internet. So make sure you have them nearby, and then we're going to open up the search menu. Type in settings, best match, or come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now on the left side, you want to select network and internet. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath advanced network settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And then underneath more settings, go ahead and select network reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. So this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Go ahead and select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select Yes. You will be signed out within 5 minutes. So go ahead and close out of any open programs you might have open on your computer and go ahead and restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point you should be able to connect back to your Wi-Fi. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.